Good morning and welcome to the Baler Bulletin. My name is Teo Gonzalez.
And I'm Carter Campbell.
Thomas Charles Lasorda was an American professional baseball pitcher and manager. He managed the Los Angeles Dodgers of Major League Baseball from 1976 through 1996. He was inducted into the National Baseball Hall of Fame as a manager in 1997.
His years of experience in the great American sport of baseball led him to point out that the difference between impossible and impossible lies in a person's determination.
As a reminder, Balers, homecoming dance is this Saturday, October 15th. There is no in and out access at the dance. Once you have checked in, you are not allowed to leave unless you are leaving the dance. If you leave the dance early, we will be calling home to notify parents. Also, please be sure your ride arrives promptly and no later than 11:15 p.m. Hope to see you all there.
Baler drivers, quick reminder that the Baler Alley parking lot along with pickup and drop-off location will be closed all day this Thursday, October 13th. This area is being used for the homecoming parade float. Students, please be sure to utilize the football stadium parking lot, multi-purpose field parking lot, and Science X-Wing parking lot. For any pickup and drop-offs, we still have designated areas at the football stadium lot, tennis court lot, and Science X-Wing lot.
Seniors, do you need assistance completing your FAFSA or CADA application? Hollister High School and Cal Soap are collaborating to host a Cash for College in-person event on Thursday, October 13th from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. in the Davis Library. There will be financial aid experts who will be able to assist you. You will not want to miss out on this opportunity. Please view the attached flyer as well as the required documentation you will need to submit your application. The FAFSA/CADA application is submitted online, so therefore please do not forget to bring your Chromebook to the event.
Let's see what the weather has in store for us for the next few days. Risa?
Okay guys, today we started off cold with a low of 52 and we're going to end off with a high of 76. Tomorrow we will start cold with a low of 50 and end with a high of 73. And Friday having a low of 50 and high of 77. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Raisa. Seniors and juniors, are you interested in going to learn all about and see California State University, San Jose? Ms. Cotter will be hosting a college tour to San Jose State on Wednesday, November 2nd, 2022. 30 spots are available and it's first come, first served. Permission slips can be picked up and must be returned immediately in the College and Career Center or with Ms. Cotter in counseling.
The homecoming parade is this Thursday, October 13th, immediately following school. Head downtown to watch your friends on their floats or walking with their clubs. This is an awesome Baler tradition that you will want to be part of. If you are part of the parade, be sure to make a mad dash to Baler Alley to be part of the group. The parade starts right at 2 o'clock. Enjoy and go Balers.
Are you interested in participating in Pokemon game tournaments, trading Pokemon cards, or watching Ash and Pikachu journey through distant places to battle? If so, join the Pokemon Club. The Pokemon Club meets every Friday at lunch in room 371.
Joke break.
Why are eyeshadow, lipstick, and mascara never mad at each other?
Because they always make up. Are you interested in joining a club that makes a difference on campus or in our local community? Are you hoping to gain community service hours for college and or scholarship applications? If so, the Interact Club may be the right club for you. The Interact Club meets every Monday at lunch in room 371 and is always welcoming new members.
The semi-formal fall homecoming dance is this Saturday, October 15th in the Ag Barn. Tickets are available in the Student Payment Center or on the web store. Prices are $11 with ASB, $12 with ID, and $21 for couples. Bring a date or come with a group of friends. There is an 800-person limit, so please do not wait until the last minute to buy your tickets. They're going fast.
There will be a mandatory meeting Wednesday at lunch for all returning players interested in playing girls soccer for the 2022-2023 season. Again, this meeting is for all returning girls soccer players.
Did you know that tryouts for girls soccer program start Monday, October 31st, which is in 3 weeks? In order to try out, you must have your physical paperwork and concussion protocol cleared through the athletics office before being able to participate. If interested, head to the athletics office today and don't delay on getting these important steps completed.
Mr. Campbell is leading a trip to Ireland in July 2024. This is a 9-day trip that will include Dublin, Galway, Blarney, Cork, and more. See the lovely green landscape historic castles and keeps, as well as urban centers and cultural treasures. Please note that this is not a school-sponsored event. The parent meeting will be tonight at 7 p.m. on Zoom. Scan the QR code to RSVP and get the meeting code. This is a purely informational meeting, and there is no commitment required at the time. That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching, and remember,
Go Balers!